2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 28,000 miles on the odometer, this truck delivers style and convenience as well as performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, variable speed intermittent wipers, air conditioning, ABS, front side airbag, front side head airbag, rear side head airbag. This is a top-rated dealer. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.